Have you ever seen a beautiful red brick house suddenly turn white with ugly powder stains? It looks like dust, but it keeps coming back again and again. This common construction problem is called efflorescence. Today, I'll explain what it is, why it happens, how to prevent it, and the best ways to remove it. Let's begin. What is efflorescence? Efflorescence is a white salty powder or crystal deposit that appears on the surface of bricks, concrete, blocks, and masonry walls. Sometimes it looks bright white, and sometimes off-white or gray. This happens when water inside the wall carries dissolved salts to the surface. When the water evaporates, the salts remain behind as a white powder. So remember this simple formula. Salt plus water plus evaporation equals efflorescence. What are the main causes of efflorescence? There are three main causes of efflorescence. Number 1. Water penetration. Rainwater, groundwater, leaking pipes, or poor drainage can allow moisture into walls. Number 2. Soluble salts. Salts may already exist in bricks, sand, cement, water used for mixing mortar, soil beneath the building. Number 3. Porous bricks or cracks. If bricks are weak, porous, or cracked, water can easily move through them and carry salts to the outside surface. Dense, high-quality bricks usually have fewer problems. Now the next question is, why it gets worse in winter? Efflorescence often becomes worse after rainy winters. Why? Because more water enters the wall during wet weather. Then in dry summer weather, moisture evaporates and the white deposits may disappear or reduce. But if the moisture source remains, the problem can return every season. Now, how to prevent efflorescence? Prevention is always better than cleaning later. Here are the best solutions. Use good quality bricks. Choose dense bricks with low water absorption. Proper mortar mix using clean sand, clean water, and use low alkali cement having good quality. Store bricks covered and off the ground. Use damp-proof cores, proper drainage, flashing, and seal leaks. Correct construction practices. Cover unfinished walls from rain. These simple steps can save future repair costs. Now, let's come to the next question, which is, how to remove efflorescence. If the deposit is light, let the wall dry completely and use a stiff brush. Sometimes clean water under pressure can remove it. Always wet the wall first and rinse well after cleaning. For severe cases, light sandblasting or professional treatment may be needed. But remember, if you only clean the wall and do not stop the moisture source, it will come back again. So friends, efflorescence is not just a cosmetic problem. It is a warning sign of moisture inside the wall. Fix the water source first, then clean the surface. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more civil engineering and construction tips. See you in the next video.